Hello, my name is Emil Pavlov, an engineer at Profuse. In this brief video tutorial, I will speak about LAPIS security. It is realized by Drm Service, Watermarking, and Video Chunk Creation Service. The first one, Drm Service, by default comes with built-in proprietary module created by Profuse, but per customer request it can be changed. It can be replaced with third-party Drm service as well. Let's go over any media asset. From Action menu, slide to Drm Encode, press over it. The background process will start automated. Once it's finished, LAPIS automatically will redirect to encrypted DRM instance, which can be played only over the LAPIS. Otherwise, it can be played by any other software due to encoded profile. Let's take a look over the encoded video. Watermarking creation can be done by Action, slide to transcode and select Watermarking preset. The process will start. You can observe directly from the graphic user interface the process. Let's wait a bit. Once watermarking process has finished, we can take a look over the exported video includes watermarking logo. Slide to the transformation instance and play it. You can see on the screen the original media set includes watermarking logo. The next one type of security is video chunk creation. That means we will give a small fragment from the global media asset to our business partners. From Action menu, go to Create Marker, select Video Chunk, play the media, and give input position and output time position. You can also play with the mouse cursor in order to fine-tune exact timecode positions. Once we are ready, just press create. But of course you have to give some name. Chunk 1 and create, press create. That is it, pretty simple. Now you can just assign that video chunk 1 to any task, project, or give explicit permissions to dedicated user of LAPIS. Thank you for watching that video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to receive all our latest video tutorials. Bye.